Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this textured text effect on CapCut PC. Grab the text tool right here. Oh, actually you're going to go to media first, and then you're going to select this white background, and you're just going to select text, and then you're just going to add a text. I'm going to choose this text here and this font, adjust the font size, and I'm just going to use the color blue. You can also choose the color black for it, I think, but I'm just going to choose blue for mine. I'm also going to change the format here, but you don't have to. And I'm just going to copy the text a lot of times. Maybe just like 3, actually, like so. And then I'm just going to export that. Okay, once I'm done, I'm just going to delete everything. And oh, actually, I am going to add an animation. I forgot about that. This is of course optional, but I just want to add I'm just going to add this one, honestly. And then I'm just going to export that. Sorry. And then once you're done exporting it, you're just going to go to media local, and you're going to import that to the media page right here. Then you're going to add in the texture you want. I'm just going to use this picture of denim. Then I'm just going to add this on top of that textured sort of photo. Then choose screen as your blend mode, and that's pretty much it. I'm just going to adjust it like so. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!